You're watching the Diary of a Dog Walker provided by Crighton Pet Services, and I'm Stephen Crighton. This is my little channel for you guys to enjoy. And yeah, if you're not familiar with what we do, I'm a professional dog walker. It is Friday the 24th of February. I'm out on a morning walk with 6 little dogs. For those that do watch regularly, you know that the morning, no big dogs, right? So we've got 6 dogs out. I normally have 8 on a Friday, but there's 2 call-offs. We've not got Barney and we've not got little Alfie. So today we have Biscuit, our border terrier, Elsa, our working cocker, Ted, our Coton de Tulear, Maggie, our pug, hello Maggie, Charlie, our Westie, and over on the long line we've got Ruby, our Beagle, with our nose in the ground. And that's the order of the day. The conditions today are perfect for dogs scenting and following their nose. So basically we had some rain overnight, and now the morning it's nice and bright and warm, and so all of that moisture is evaporating, bringing out all the nice smells, which is effectively making the dogs go a little bit crazy nose wise. So if you've got a dog that likes to sniff on a day after it's been raining and it's nice and warm, perfect conditions. It's like sprinkling salt on your chips, if that's a good analogy. I think it is, I think that will work. So from the gang, Maggie, me and the other dogs, I'll be back at the end, so don't go anywhere. We're going to show you the highlights of our day, but until I'm back at the end, I'm going to hand you over to these guys. Hey. Okay, let's get going. Hello gorgeous girls. Hello Coco. How are you, sweet? Hey Dixie sweetheart, how are you? Look for them too. Hello. Hello, how are you? How are you? Morning guys. There's no one to chase you today. I don't think you'll get a chase. Just have a look at Ted's jacket. Look at this. This is why you have to wear a jacket, buddy. Because you're rolling in whatever. No consequences. No consequences. You don't have to deal with that mud or a bath. What an investment. I think I'm going to have to give Biscuit and Elsa a workout with the ball. The best place to do it is this hill. Keeps them very active even if they're not retrieving. That's a terrible throw. It's a rubbish ball though. Hey trouble. Hello. Oh, you're very happy today. You've been good this week. You've been very fulfilled, I think. You've had a good session or 4. Ted, did you get that ball off Elsa? Good boy. Ted. Good boy. Ted. Good boy. Ted. Good boy. Your face. Biscuit, you shut up. Hey! I'm playing with Ruby. What's into you? Down. Wished. Hi. You stay down there until you think about what you've done. Down. 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 Was that the play-by? Go on. Get her. Yes, I know. Dead. Good boy. Sit down. To avoid. Just trying to see which way they're going. They don't seem very social. Yeah, do they? Let's see. Oh, Maggie, you're taking the lead this year. Are we okay? Are we all okay? We made it past the doggies and they weren't very friendly after all. Let's see. Come on, Maggie. We've got a stand off. Oh, yeah. Charlie, come. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Good, chicken. Good, everyone. Come on. Yeah, with the thread. We're all good. We're all good. Oh, oops. Let's just all have a seat. Yeah, I'm up for that. Oh no, you don't have to move. We're good. Maggie, you'll be up for a little seat. Biscuit, come and give us a little cuddle. What's this? Hey. Come here. Come here. It's cuddle time. It's cuddle time, Ted. Yeah. You're a big fan. It's really quite sweet. We've got someone doing training over here and someone else down in this corner taking photos of their dogs, making the dogs pose and taking really good photos, because look at the day. The backdrop you've got is just incredible for taking nice photos of your doggies. Hey, we might even do the same. We might do the same, take some photos of you guys. Okay, we'll go in the grass. We'll go in the grass. That's home. That's play. That's that karma trying to tell me something. There's that person on the top of the rock taking some photos. That's lovely. Hey, that's what we do. That's our game. Right, Biscuit, are you saying that you've had enough? Will you come over here? Thanks, bud. I appreciate it. I don't ask for much, but I just like you being near me. I'm going to take this opportunity to talk to you guys while the wind is quiet and while we have the place to ourselves. It has been a great week with the pack. 20 odd dogs. I'll count it up and I'll put it in the thing to show you how many we've walked this week. So I'm getting dragged everywhere, and yeah, we've had no incidents and a real good time. So hopefully you've enjoyed the videos. If you want to see, if you think you've missed one of the walks, make sure you've subscribed. Oh, hello Jeff. That's one of our pals. And little Bracken. Okay, well, I'm going to say hi to these guys and then we're going to sign off. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye bye.